Erizo abantu abihiriye mpapura baciriye bagenda mu misho no kuzigarirayo kugira ngo behanditse rero babase kubana betabo mu karuru ka NRM akarukuza kuterwe 2016 okwezo kwa Mushanju. Uri kuro kutera karuru mu kibine cha NRM Dr. Tanga Odoy ashobora umuringo go kwihaye mpapura okuguriyo n'ugendo misho.
Day one was rather congested because everyone wanted to come on day one, but today we had quite a number, but coming at what we can call the frequency was normal. We've done everything it requires and we are ready to nominate all our members for the days we have disclosed. We have not had any problem. Apart from petty theft, which was handled by the security yesterday, we've not had any major negative incident in this nomination so far.
Abanyishenjero abatwira mu ncureji bagira ngo nubenda bagarzeyo.
Baheza kunominatinga Caspering member of parliament wigarisi constituency okongera kusyohereza abantu bite wigarisi constituency abanyabushengi nihangariyona. Abo kweza kwa member wa parliament wihangariyona. So nyongera kwamza abanyabushenyi abanyigarisi constituency ngutsa kuyongera consolidating achievements za NRM
ekisanja ekya kabiri obunu bwo bwire obwo kukora ebyo ebire bisigire abo kubanka member wa parliament no banza wayega hato cheza kwega bas utunga obukodyo bwo kukora byona ebikoba bisigire.
Shema district ni impango ebitukozire bitakashikiremu noreba nke abantu bona betaga amashanyarazi amize ayikakire mbajana ubwija ryari amashanyarazi agakire ngija ryari ebyo byona watagarukireyo ukaconnectinga na network yo biro yine ukabisyayo nibibanza byasarara so nabwo eco nyowe ni nyenda ngunyongere ayimbere nasya ngo bigubizemo
abahagizi banje abantu barahama East ekindi kubashaba no kubashaba obuhagizi okongera mwamani okureba ngo biro 16 byo kwezi kwa Mushanju 2025 twahangura karuraka
nko mujwekerwa omucyara om parliament abantu barubirizi nimbaraganisa. This time round you are going to be fully and solely represented.
Nimayangu ntuye ninkora projects nyinje zikwatire no kusupportinga amashomero okole mihanda okconnecting amezi okurete ntunguko mu bantu okurangwa sente za PDM zatamburaje
bitu babesimbira ho busiyano bagira ngo bimwaha bintu bikozurwe tubiri kwingana n'emyaka ena ebahereze omwishengero ngumwe n'abantu nubenda ngo bahindureho babe nibo batayo.
Thank everyone that has worked with me during this process, and I thank everyone that is going to work with me during this campaign period, and I thank everyone that will celebrate with us when we win. And I call upon everyone in Mbeera City to come and work together.
Kurant mukisanja kinu tukakora submission yokurant Kikube district ege bagara administrative units yogamba anti LC zaito enkoto muno ezimanyira zinkeni mbaza ha radio kurant bazikende izemu twa creatinga LCs ezindi na parishes na town councils na sub counties
okwehanditsa nukuza kuhendera 2030 ebyo kwezoko kandi kabarayeta wo mu karuru ka SEC nukuje kutandika 2016 ebyo kwezoko kandi akaruru ka NRM nukije kuterwa 2016 ebyo kwezoko kwa Mushanju gasha kwa Ronald Ngabirano aha wa Tayari West.